ORINGO UWA.
Sir?
That reminds me.
Continue.
You know Chief Eribagwago? The one that lives in Akusia Alubok Junction.
Jesus! I don't want peace. I want problems!
Since his toilet, the pipe that connects the toilet to the pit is leaking. So you need to go and fix it. And also the kitchen sink.
Okay.
So you need to rush to Eribe Agwago's house at Akusia Alubok Junction. You need to go and fix it. Make sure it's a very neat work there. You know what we normally do.
Yeah.
Our work is always neat. So do a neat work there. So go and prepare and change immediately so that you come back and meet me in the house.
Okay.
Is that understood?
Yeah. Okay. No problem. Let me go and prepare.
Okay, good afternoon, sir. They get one bushman where they forget. Don't say you call her for plumbing work.
The man a plumber.
And he said a plumber. Now what you tell me? But you don't look like plumber.
Call her.
May I let that man inside here?
Carry him come. I'm at the wait. See if you don't catch me yourself.
Okay. Oh yeah, bushman. Come inside.
Hey! Now me they call bushman because I be plumber be.
No be bushman you be before.
You the craze we die here today.
Who you be before? No be bushman you be.
We don't die here.
Okay, come inside. You are who?
If
no,
you
only you go die here. Only you go die here because I go kill you.
If you say it be real get man, cross here.
Okay, now me they draw line for.
I want problems! Always!
No, I don't cross am. I say I don't cross am.
Hey, cross am oh. My balance well like Balenciaga. If you say it be real person, if you cross this line, I will carry you up, knock your head for ground. Cross this line.
You be mumu. You think say you dey wise?
Hey!
Mumu man!
Another line. I go kill you today. See you. I don't cross another line. What you go do? No, tell me what you go do now. Na me they talk to. Na me they talk to. Na me they talk to.
Hey, this person dey mean though. Sure say I fit beat this person. Okay, now I carry my bag.
Where that bag again? Come here.
I beg now.
Mama, you come here.
Why are you running? What?